stuck in a darn tree. Again. Look at it go! You see it?
Put it over this way, Jeff, so because it's lost in the trees. But this way, it's against the blue sky where you can see it a lot better.
Magic!
That's unbelievable. Now that light, Jeff, is that where the camera is and stuff?
Sorry. Yeah, it's here.
Huh?
Yeah.
We've seen some of the pictures already.
Oh yeah?
Can I fly?
Now is it pictures or videos, Jeff, or both? Huh?
Both.
Really?
Yeah. No, I don't want you to play with it outside. I don't want to get stuck in a tree. Here, I'll let you play with it a little bit. Ready? So you can help that.
Which one can I do?
Hang on, I gotta get it ready.
Don't get near it, Alana. Jeff, is the back tail thing even moving, or is it going so fast? See the back thing? It doesn't look like. Oh, there it is.
So that's why I press this, it goes forward.
I see. Boomer.
And I press this, it goes backwards.
I see. Boomer, it's okay.
Don't blame it on me. I'll go get it.
Battery.
Yeah.
I'll go get it.
Okay.
Can I stay up here?
Boomer.
You got it, Alana? Beautiful.
Her neighbor's supposed to